A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video and helping us build the online store that launched this entire boat life adventure. After months of work, our sailboat is ready for the water, as long as our final engine test goes well. All right, so last time we started the engine, it didn't really start so clean. We're gonna try again. The batteries have been rewired, and I changed a couple things, so hopefully we can get this engine started, and then the boat is ready to be launched.
Ah! Hey! Water?
Water's coming out.
Water's coming out.
Clean start!
It's so much better this time. Do you have a problem?
Yeah. These electrical wires are burning.
Oh no. Electrical wires are burning.
That's not good.
That's the smell of plastic.
That's what it is. Some of the electrical wires are burning on there.
They're too close.
I don't know what's going on. It's like the original wires.
Oh, it's not the ones we added?
No, I didn't add anything onto the engine.
Huh.
You can see them starting to ignite almost. This was checking to see if they said like sometimes if the ground wire is loose, then that could cause the wires to smoke. Just when you thought you were done. It's like diving.
Oh geez.
That's the problem. That's, I think, what was smoking.
Okay.
So we are going to disconnect the one cable that I changed on this entire engine, and maybe I messed the entire thing up. No longer connected. That should fix the problem.
So should I turn the water on?
Yeah. And start it.
Action.
So we are leaving the boat, but the engine still doesn't work and the wires are catching fire, or smoking at least. Whole another problem to fix before we can get in the water.
I have some exciting gifts for you, Lou.
Yeah, are those the parts?
These are the engine parts.
Wow.
Kind of heavy, be careful. Oh man. Fingers crossed it's the right stuff.
This only took us 1 month to get.
Yeah, literally a month to the day. Out with the old, in with the new. There you go.
So we labeled it 1 and 1. Now I can cut it, and that way when we reconnect stuff, we'll know.
You're going for it?
Yep.
Whoa.
Bum-ba-da-dum.
Oh god.
Now it gets complicated. There comes this guy. Here we go again.
You got this.
There you go. Hey, good job, Dave.
Came through?
Yeah, we got the old wire harness out.
First one's going through. You see it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Third guy going through. This is the last of the big ones.
He's through.
Heyo. Now it's just 2 little wires. They're going
Sweet.
side by side.
Lou, did it go through?
Yeah, we're through. Good job, Dave.
Sweet. Okay. More's coming. And looks like we're clear of it.
There we go. The remnants of our old burned up wire harness. I think we are ready to install.
That's all the pieces?
Yeah, we figured out where they all go. Now we're just gonna replace them one at a time so we can't mess anything up.
Really diving in head first to this job, Lou.
Literally and figuratively.
Very impressed.
Whew.
Is it working?
Uh-huh. Like that sound. There we go.
Okay. Voila.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, the wiring is done. Everything is connected. Hopefully it works. We're gonna finally have a professional take a look at all of this stuff and see if we did it right.
I can't believe the engine worked. It's just such a relief. It is, what day is it? It is now June 22nd. I think we wanted to get the boat in the water in April, which was a little bit like aggressive, but I feel like this is really like the time. And I was so nervous that when they turned on the engine, all of the wires would just melt again and then we'd just be in the same situation. But the boat might go in the water in like 3 days, which is just like insane to think about. It's like all really happening. Can you believe it? It's like, Lou. It's crazy.
I told you guys, you didn't believe me. I told you this week.
I was just
And everyone
like,
was like, don't be a crazy person, Lou.
well, it's just like I can't get my hopes up anymore. Like, it's just been such a, yeah. A huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. For the duration of June 2020, we decided to donate 100% of our online store profits to Give Directly and the Equal Justice Initiative. And I can now report that together we raised almost $9,000. Thank you guys so much for showing up. If you'd like to start your own online shop and see where that takes you, head to squarespace.com/wildweroam for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
What's the news?
I just got an email and we're able to get you in on this Thursday, loading her up at 7:30 a.m. So AKA in 2 days or 3 days, this boat is going in the water. We have a lot to do. We have a lot to get ready. What's up? We're going in the water on Thursday. It's happening. We are going in the water. This boat is no longer a land boat. It's gonna be a water boat and we're gonna be living on the water. I am in shock. We have so little time to get this boat ready after months and months of waiting. Are you nervous?
No.
I'm nervous. I'm like shaking.